In this video, we are going to learn about sales funnel for affiliate marketing. So if you are a beginner who is starting affiliate marketing, or you are an affiliate marketer and you want to learn about sales funnel, stay till the end of this video because I am going to show you exactly the process which you can follow and real example which you can take a look and copy and paste in your business. And I'm also going to give you few bonuses if you stay till the end of this video. So let's dive into this video. Hello everyone, my name is Hansu and welcome to my channel. So in this video we are learning about sales funnel for affiliate marketing. So before we go deep into this video, let's talk about what is affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, we are promoting someone else's product. We don't own the product, but if someone buys the product, if someone buy that product from our link, we are going to get a little commission. And what is sales funnel? Sales funnel is a process which helps us in collecting the leads, in following up with the person. In simple words, sales funnel helps us in converting the prospect, the audience, into the buying customer. Now the thing is, why we need sales funnel in our affiliate marketing business? Because it's not our product, right? And why we need the sales funnel in place for that product which is not even owned by us? Because when we do affiliate marketing and we send people to the third party product, but the thing is, not everyone is going to buy the product, right? And if we send that person straight to the product and the person don't buy the product, we are losing because we don't have the commission, and now that person is gone forever. Now we haven't earned any dollar with that person. So now with the help of sales funnel, we can collect information for that person who came to us. And once we collect the information, now we are going to send that person to the affiliate offer. And even if the person don't buy that product, we still have the information of that person. So now we can market that person again and again in the future. And now we can even promote different products to that person because we have collected the information. And this is the reason why sales funnel is very important in affiliate marketing business. Because if we don't collect the information, if we don't collect the leads, we own nothing. People are coming to us, we are sending them to the offer, and if the person is not buying anything, we are losing them. So now let me take you to my screen and show you how you can use sales funnel in your affiliate marketing business. So now if you can see, there is an image in the screen, and as you can see, there is this squeeze page in the first part, then there is a CTA page, and then there is an affiliate offer. Let me explain it to you. First, these are the people, these are the audience, these are the people which you want to sell something, right? You don't own the product, so now you are doing affiliate marketing and you are promoting someone else's product. So instead of sending these people straight to the affiliate offer, here you are sending them to this squeeze page. And now what is this squeeze page? This squeeze page is where you collect the information. You take the email address, the name. If you want, you can also take the phone number if you want, right? So in this page, we offer something for free, which is valuable for these people. So once we have that information of these people, we can send them emails again and again in the future whenever we want. So even though if these people don't convert right away, we still have the information and we can send them emails again and again in the future. So once they give us their email address, we are going to send them to the next page, which is called bridge page. Now, what is this bridge page? So let me explain it to you. That bridge page is a page where we pre-frame the customer. Now, if you are going to a car shop, you are not going to buy the car instantly when you get into the showroom, right? There is a person who tells you, who gives you information about the product, like the specification of the cars. This page works similar to the salesperson. It's your salesperson which works for you 24/7 for you, and it doesn't charge more or less, right? So in this bridge page, you are going to tell them how the affiliate offer which you are promoting is going to help them in the future, or how that affiliate offer is going to help them to achieve their goal. So in this page, they will be more interested. They will know about the product. They are pre-framed. They are ready to take a look on the affiliate product which you are promoting, right? After this page, you are going to send them to the affiliate offer, right? So this is the sales process. This is the sales funnel which you are going to use in the affiliate marketing business. And when people go to this affiliate offer and they don't buy the product instantly, because not everyone is going to buy the affiliate product which you are promoting. So, but now we have collected the email in the squeeze page. In this page, we have collected the email and the name of these audience. So now we can send them an email promoting the same product, right, in the email. So now if they are not ready to buy instantly, they will buy it with your email, and you are still going to earn the commission. And one thing which is very important, the thing which you are giving them for free, right, you can send them through the mail. And then when you will be sending them a mail, you can also promote this affiliate offer with that mail. So now you are collecting the data, you are sending them the free stuff, but with that free stuff, you are also promoting your affiliate product. So this is the simple process most affiliate marketer, big affiliate marketer use to promote the affiliate products. Now let me show you the real example how you can use sales funnel for your affiliate marketing and your affiliate offer. So this is the squeeze page created by Ping Jun. He's one of the best marketer I know, right? So what Ping Jun is doing, he has created a squeeze page. This is how squeeze page looks like. This is a simple squeeze page, and when you will click on register, he's going to ask you your name and email address, right? This is what we do in the squeeze page, right? So now we are going to give him our name and email address, and then we are going to submit to get the free stuff. And in his funnel, he's giving free webinar, right? He's giving free webinar in his funnel. So now this is called bridge page. In this page, what he's going to do is he's going to pre-frame us for the offer. Now you understand, in this page he's going to show us a video in which he's going to tell us how this product, how that affiliate product is helpful for us. So now when we see the whole webinar, we want that affiliate product. So this is how big marketers use sales funnel for affiliate marketing. So you can copy the whole formula and use the sales funnel in your business. Now, if you are a beginner and you don't have any technical knowledge and you don't know how to create these fancy pages, right? So there is a software called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is one of the best software for creating sales funnel. It helps you create sales funnel with just drag and drop software. You don't need any technical knowledge, you don't need any coding knowledge, and they are going to even teach you how you can create your sales funnel in less than an hour. So if you want to try it out, I have dropped the link in the description below where you can go and take your free trial right now. And if you take ClickFunnels free trial from the link in the description, I'm going to give you multiple bonuses, and I'm going to give you pre-built funnels for your business. So whatever business you are in, I'm going to give you pre-built funnel for your business, and most important, I'm going to give you one-on-one consulting call with me. And this is not going to be forever because this is my new YouTube channel, so I'm giving this. So I'm going to give you one-on-one free consulting call with me where I'm going to take a look on your business and going to help you out with your problems. So if you join ClickFunnels from the link in the description, I'm going to give you all these bonuses. You just need to send me a mail in the email which is given to you below, and I'll get back to you and I'll jump on a call with you. So if this video was helpful for you, or if this video was not helpful for you, please give me a comment so I can improve my videos and create better content for you. And thank you so much for watching my video till now, and see you in the next video.